Hi guys, it's Isabel, and today I'm going to be showing you around a very luxurious fifth wheel we have here at WorldWideRV. This is the 2018 Forest River RiverStone 34 SLE. Now, as per usual, we're going to start on the outside of this unit and then make our way in. Come on. This unit does have a beautiful full body paint. You're also going to get a huge pass-through storage right here with a mini fridge inside. On the driver's side of this unit, you're going to have another access point to that pass-through storage. You're also going to be able to set up super easy in this unit with the hydraulic auto leveling jacks. Moving our way to the back of this unit, you are going to have a backup camera at the top as well as a standard ladder back here to access the roof. You also get an exterior TV on this unit as well. Guys, the inside of this unit is definitely one of my favorite that I've seen so far. Between the dark wood and the infinity skylights, I just think it is so beautiful in here. You're gonna have a huge Samsung TV in this unit that is able to swivel side to side, so whether you're sitting at the couches across or diagonal from the TV, you're going to be able to watch TV. Underneath the TV, you have your sound system by Jensen, as well as your fireplace. This fireplace is going to be able to push out enough heat to heat up this entire area. Next to the TV, you are going to have this seating area. There is an extra slab available for this table, so you are able to pull it out and add it to the space right here, making this table a couple inches wider. You're going to have these very comfortable residential style couches in this unit. This one does have a bed underneath it. In the kitchen, you're going to have a 2-burner stovetop with a microwave on top, as well as this oven down here. Now, this kitchen island holds many features. You get a cover for your stainless steel double sink, as well as they give you additional counter space on both sides with these pull up areas. There's one on this side and one on this side. And if you come around this island, you'll see you get a dishwasher. You get plenty of storage in this unit with all of these cabinets. You also have a nice little pantry area with drawers right next to your fridge. And you are going to get an LG double door residential style fridge. Alright, let's go up these stairs and check out the bathroom and the bedroom. Look at how much room you have in this bathroom. You have plenty of space to move around. You're also going to have a good amount of counter space in this unit, but extra storage in here with these drawers, the storage underneath the sink. You got this little storage right here. And then behind the toilet, you're going to have this extra storage. Be perfect for all your towels. You could just put them right there. As for your shower, you're going to have a skylight above giving you additional headspace in here. A shower head that is retractable. And this cutesy little seat. You can do my pondering right here. Alright guys, in this bedroom, we're going to have this huge king-size bed right here. Across from your king-size bed, you're going to have some storage area for some clothes and your TV as well, which does swivel, so you can move it around a little bit and be able to look out of this window right here. I have a surprise for you in this closet. Are you ready for this? Washer and dryer, baby. These are going to be splendid stackable washer and dryer in here. So going on those longer trips is going to be perfect in this unit. On the other side of this closet, you get some additional clothing storage. Now this closet is pretty big. I can fit in here. Yeah. Wait. Yeah, I can fit in here. Alright guys, well there you have it. That was a complete look at this 2018 RiverStone. Now we do currently have her available online for $65,975. So go in our bio and check her out, or come and see her at 4660 East Main Street, right in between Higley and Greenfield. Hope to see you soon.